Okay, the end result. Got all this piece here rotary hoed right up to the steps, all the equipment and the straw sitting in the piece, and then as you can see right up to the edges around the back of the tractor, right up to the bit of a bank at the back, all rotary hoed. It's rotary hoed about 8 to 10 inches deep, just depending on how soft it is. That end down there is sand. That went down about 12 inches and bogged all the time right around there. So now we've got probably 500 square meters rotary hoed up, ready to go. All the rubbish in the bucket, just tip it into the trailer. Probably about 6 wheelbarrow loads in there. Just saves wheeling it in and out. The tractor will go down by the gate, and probably in about 2-3 weeks time I'll rotary hoe it all again. But down this end here I'll start putting the broad beans right at the back, then the peas, then the garlic. That way the sun will get to everything in the front, and the peas, and then the broad beans being the tallest will be at the back. And yeah, we'll see how it all goes. Okay, man, that was a massive effort doing all that. Really wore me out. It was hard work, very hard work. The rotary hoe was Red Roo. It has a few things that I rang the owners about and said that if they changed would make it a much better machine to handle. Very good on hard ground. The first cut took 2 hours. You think the second cut on would be easier, but it actually took about 3.5 hours for the second one, and over 4, and I never finished the third cut before I had to take it back. So they're a great machine for the first and second cut, but wouldn't even recommend anybody with sand or really soft going to do it unless they've got a lot of grass on top, or the ground's fairly hard, because the back of the thing just sinks into the ground, and it's got a skid plate on the left hand side, and that skid plate tends to jam up with dirt underneath it and just pulls the machine around to the left continually. But anyway, on the hard ground, excellent machine, and did a great job. So very happy with the effort. We'll see you next time.